3 laps to go. 1.5 car behind, mate.
So let's do a lap speed check here.
Oh,
It's all going
ugly.
on. Up the inside is Mostert. He's given Todd Kelly a push. Now Lowndes has done 11.3. The pushing continues and continues and continues. And Todd feeds him off the road, sends him to the grass for his trouble. So 11.3 and around
Kelly.
they go.
Well, that was just tit for tat, Dodgem car stuff all the way down the bottom of the hill. Mostert started it. They continue to keep on bumping. And that's Todd parked off the road.
0.4 faster on the last lap, Winterbottom than Lowndes. He did a 10.9 on the last lap, Frosty. Here it is, the run into 10. Mostert on the inside, gives Todd a clobbering. Todd doesn't like that idea, puts a bit of left lock on it, sends him to the grass, and then it continues down here on the run to the final corner and finally ends up in the side of it. Here's another angle. You can see them both wrestling the wheel. Chaz had nowhere else to go, and then he gives him a tagging for his trouble. And, they sort of self-cancelled each other in the end, didn't they?